Hi, I'm Fiona Charles. I'm going to be leading a tutorial at EuroSTAR 2023 called Inspiring Quality. It's going to be a full-day workshop on quality leadership and how you can be an exceptional quality leader. So, what does leadership even mean if you're a tester? Maybe you're not called a tester. Maybe you're called a quality advocate or a quality evangelist or a quality coach. Maybe you're called a tester. You're expected to lead quality. You're expected to inspire, to influence. And how do you do that? How do you do that if you don't have authority? What are the skills you need? What are the personal strengths? What are the behaviors that will make you into an exceptional quality leader? We're going to be exploring these questions and many, many more in this workshop. It'll be a full-day workshop. I'm not going to be talking at you and reading slides and so on. So do come expecting to work, expecting to think. You don't need to bring any equipment. Just bring yourself and your brain and a pen and a notebook. Come prepared to work with me and your peers in understanding what it takes to become an exceptional quality leader. I look forward to seeing you there.